What are your expectations from CAD outsourcing service? Outsourcing has become the trend of the day because of many benefits to your business. But what are your exact expectations from outsourcing service? In the process of working and serving a number of customers, we have summarized 5 important aspects. 1. Quality of work. Quality drafting provider can open up for your company a lot of potential opportunities and give you a competitive edge. However, when choosing your drafting outsourcing partner, you have to ensure that your partner has experienced draftsmen in their team and have successfully completed similar projects. The simplest way is to require the provider for their sample work or give them a sample task, so you come to know whether the partner can meet your expectations or not. 2. Cost saving. Outsourcing allows you to pay only when you have projects. Avoid large expenditures in your company on PCs, software, office, insurance, taxes, parking permits, or validation employees. Furthermore, new employees may need training for at least 3 to 6 months to understand your workflow. 3. Communication. Communication is essential in ensuring that the two parties can work collaboratively. Good communication guarantees that results are delivered as expected, issues are resolved efficiently, and problems are avoided or limited. We are very proud to say this is not a big problem to us. We are a quality team who have worked as engineers for overseas companies in America, Australia. Thus, we deeply understand a variety of cultures, good at English in both speaking and writing. We apply most common communication tools that can be used in desktop or laptop, such as email, messaging platform, video calls through Google Hangouts, Skype, or Slack. 4. Productivity and efficiency. Outsourcing your business to a country with a different time zone like Vietnam means we will typically work outside your regular office hours and produce results to review in the following morning. That schedule will help you work on more projects and complete them much faster than normal. 5. Having more time to focus on your core business. You will have to multitask meeting with clients, visiting construction sites, submitting plans to local governments, printing plans, drawing, designing, checking the quality of work, planning setup, gathering information, and a variety of other work. Can you and your staff do everything? Yes, you can. But should you? There are non-core tasks that take critical time, involve more employees, create workplace stress, and add to operational costs when time and funds are not invested differently. To manage these differently, why don't you outsource your project to another partner? By collaborating with us, you enable your company to engage in far more projects simultaneously than it could have handled before, to move work forward more quickly, to have time to meet with clients, and most notably, to save on normal operational costs for each project, thanks to low labor costs in Vietnam. We are always happy to hear how well our clients satisfied with our work. If you are looking to get started on your outsourcing journey, feel free to contact us today.